This is the Frugal Gardener. Welcome back to my garden. Are you growing potatoes this year? A lot of people are. Today's video is all about potatoes. These are potatoes that I planted a couple of weeks ago, but this is the star today of what I'm going to show you guys in my new and improved garden. Potatoes are versatile, and with the prices the way they are, a lot of people are probably going to be growing these for the first time. I've been growing these for years, but this is the first time that I have used this raised bed. Um, I bought these slips from Walmart, and every year I try to grow something different, but this year I'm sticking to the tried and true because I've been having some issues since I've been up here in the homestead. This is my second full summer growing, and if you've watched my previous videos, I have had problems with water. I've had problems with deer. I've had all sorts of issues, so I'm playing it safe this year. And what you're looking at here are the red Norland white potatoes, and behind that are the Yukon Golds, which I love and my family loves. So I am planting those out, but I have another bed way down the other end that is 6 feet by 8 feet. So that's probably almost double the size of this. And I have plenty more potatoes. A lot of people throw their potatoes away at the end of the season if they're too small or whatever. They don't call me the frugal gardener for nothing. These are the potatoes that would have been discarded last fall after the harvest. You can see they look a little bit shriveled because a lot of the energy, the nutrients, are going into the stems, uh, the roots. So these are all going to get planted. I've been keeping these in the dark. I've been keeping them in a cool place. I've been keeping them dry. And now it's time for them to do their thing. This is, no question, 100% free potatoes. Now, of course, I'm going to have to cover this up, but if I had it covered, you wouldn't be able to see it. So I left this open. It looks a little rough in here now. I could have made it look a little prettier, but it's hot. I have a lot to do. I decided to shoot this video last minute. The little white speckles you see back there is calcium. There is also peat moss in here, and there's um, black cow that I use. It's, they say it's a manure, but it's basically a compost. But I use it as a compost, and I'm going to mark these. Obviously, these can't stay, so it's going to take roughly 3.5 months for these to grow. And if you're wondering why this is not full, it's deliberate, because as these potatoes grow, I'm going to add more soil. So over here, these are the Yukon Golds that I planted a few weeks ago. Didn't take long for these to come up. It took about 3 weeks to get to where they are now. And these guys over here in 3 or 4 weeks are going to look like these. As a matter of fact, they might grow faster because it was cold and these got off to a slow start. But the weather's warming up. We're getting close to May. So my goal is to grow enough potatoes to get me and my family through the winter, or at least through most of the winter, starting in the fall. So if it takes me about May, June, July, maybe a little bit of August, and I harvest these boys, then we're good to go. So basically, The only thing that I want to add about these is if you do buy these from, like, a big box store, don't let them go too long, because they will eventually go bad on you. And these have come quite a long ways from when I brought them. In this case, it's a good thing. So in this bed here, that's 3, 6, 7, 8, roughly 20. I can get roughly 20 potatoes in here, give or take. And if each potato produces 3 or 4 potatoes, then do the math. It's going to be a good harvest. And then, as I said, this over here, these over here, and the ones that I'm going to do on the other side. So that's it. And remember, if you do grow potatoes this summer, they are all going to be winners. They all can't be stars. But don't throw these guys away. Just put them in a cool, dark, dry place and put them to work the following spring. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Please share this video. Please comment below. Are you growing potatoes this year? If you are, what kinds? There's hundreds of varieties. I'd like to know what kind you guys are growing. Maybe you can give me some suggestions for next year. Remember what I always tell you, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you guys in the next video in a few days.